ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಕಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಾಲೆ ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ, ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ ನೌಕರರ ಸಂಘದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ವೀರಭದ್ರೆಯ ದೇಮಯ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನಿವೇದನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಸದ್ಯದ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿನಲ್ಲಿ Vvsm Academy, a school of arts and science, a mission with a vision. It is functioning 24/7. Though it is a corona conditions, we are doing our level best. So, ಕರೋನಾ ಇದೆ, ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಸಾಗೋಣ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಕರೋನಾ ಓಡಿಸೋಣ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಗತಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣರಾಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರ. ನಾವು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಿವೇದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ, ಕರೋನಾ ಓಡಿಸೋಣ, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಅಂತರ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಬನ್ನಿ, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್. ದ ಬಾಯ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ, Mr. Nikhil and his friend Namit and other friends like Teja and Vinaya and other Gopanhalli students, as I know that some of the children's names I know from Gopanhalli. So for their educational aspects of view, they have to divert their attention towards their education so that they can come and sit and take the classes. Vvsm Academy. Physical quantity. You know that matter is made up of atoms, molecules that we have discussed in the previous class. Now, the standard international. For example, regular laminas and all we have done. Coming to the physical quantities means a matter, any material or any substance. It may be a regular body or irregular body, it is a different issue. But we should think about its length. We have to think about the mass. We have to think about the time, how the time is related to the matter. And we have to volume. Volume relates to liquids. Mass relates to regular bodies or irregular bodies. Length relating to its length, breadth, thickness and other things. How do you measure length? Length can be measured. In olden days it was measured in terms of miles. Today, internationally we are measured in kilometers. Old concept is mile only. ಮೈಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ನಾವು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮೀಟರ್, ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್, ಸಬ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಮೀಟರ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು, ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. Then measuring multiple, basic and sub multiples and kilogram. How do you measure? In olden days we are measuring in terms of measurement ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ? Mass we are going to measure in, today we are going to measure in kilograms. In olden days they are measured in some other ways. That is a ancient time. Kilogram is the modern days. Now kilogram, gram, kilogram. Gram is very small unit. Kilogram is bigger unit. The multiples of the tons. Afterwards, after kilogram, we have to go for tons together. Each and every conversion factors are there. Now coming to the time is concerned, basic multiples. Time means seconds, minutes, hours. Seconds, minutes, hours. And volume is concerned, in older days we are measuring in terms of different ways. Now today we are going to measure in liters and milliliters. Very small ounce, very small unit is milliliter, a big unit is liter, and another big unit is gallon. Gallons of petrol tanks. Like this. Are you following, Nikhil? Are you following, Namit? And Teja and Vinay and other students. Rohita, ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ? Yes, come on. Observe the classes of science carefully. Physical quantities, SI units and symbol. Length, the SI unit of length is meter and its symbol is small letter m. Mass, kilogram, small letter symbol is kg. Time, seconds, SI unit is second. S, electric current, it is measured in ampere, symbol is A. Temperature Kelvin, K, volume liter, L, like this. These are the physical quantities are concerned. I would like to give some activities for you, my dear friends. Show the chart of prefixes and then perform the following activities. Prefixes, see, observe the tables carefully and take your pens and pencils and rubbers. Draw the tabular column and study yourself. Don't just read and smash your, lash your mobiles. Use scale, pencil, rubber and copy it and write it. Submultiple, multiple, prefix, 10 square, 10 cube, all these things. Then I have given some of the questions here. Fill in the blanks. 1 meter cube is equal to how many centimeter cube? It is 10 to the power of 4. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power of 4. Now, coming to the volume of the irregular solid is determined by the method of displacement of liquid. Volume of a cube is equal to one side. The area of an irregular laminate is measured by using a graph paper. In the first class itself, I told you. Mass is equal to density into volume. The SI unit of density is dash, that is kg, meter to the power of minus. So these are the, and 1 gram centimeter cube is equal to kg meter cube. 36 kilometers per hour means 10. Distance traveled is equal to distance traveled over time taken, that is a speed. Speed is nothing but the distance traveled time by time taken. So match the following. 2 tabular columns are there, left side and right side. The question is column A and column B. The answer I have given to you, column A and column B. Are the repeated questions? Select the correct alternative methods. This is the cube. Cube means length into breadth into height. Volume is equal to L cube, because in a cube all the sides are equal to each other. S cube, that is or L cube or S cube, you can call whatever you are liking. If it is S side S, if it is length is L, so therefore we have to measure in terms of L cube. V is equal to W into L into H, width into length into height. Simply this formula is nothing but V is equal to L cube. So length into length is equal to L cube. Therefore the answer is 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. Centimeters are converted in 10 into 10 into 10 is 100. 100 means 10 cube. Now coming to the centimeter into centimeter into centimeter is equal to centimeter cube. Centimeter is converted into 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So conversion factors are there in this one. So the 7 SI base units, symbolic representation. Second is S, meter is M, kilogram is a kg, already discussed. And the new one is Kelvin, that is temperature, thermodynamic temperature is Kelvin. Degree Celsius is different, SI unit. This is SI unit, standard international unit, my dear friends. Mole, amount of a substance, mole. CD, candela, luminous intensity, expression, express that is light. The basic base units of light, standard international of base, candela. Candela relates to the SI unit of light. This is the another SI unit of volume. As I told you, 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter is equal to 1 meter cube, because V is equal to L cube. As I told you, 1 meter is equal to M1M into 1M into 1M. That is algebraic expression is comes here. Now coming to the name, the two devices which are used to measure the volume of an object, draw their neat diagrams. This is the measuring jar and this is the measuring beakers. This is 500 ml half liter and this is measurement. Okay, measuring jar, measuring cylinder. You can see these things in your physics, chemistry laboratory, physics laboratory also. If you are having a laboratory in your schools and colleges, okay. So thank you. Now, my dear friends, tell your friends and tell your elder students that IAS is giving coaching classes for IAS, KS, CSE, and what is that? specifically what is that police selection examinations, that is police Nimakati examination, the objective type questions are going to do with that. So all the competitive examinations, we are going to give a excellent coaching for the competitive students, for particularly rural area students, our Karnataka rural students of Karnataka. Please divert your attention toward the Vvsm Academy. If you are so interested and concerned with competitive examinations, come forward and let us study about the progress of the things. Okay, take care. Nikhil, Nitin, and your friends, tell your friends, and try your level best to go on studying. Says, let us learn science and mathematics in Vvsm Academy. God bless you. Take care. Please don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe.